Hey guys, welcome back to another quick inform video. In today's video, we're talking about T-Mobile home internet and how they're getting two new devices for home internet. And one's supposed to be really good and one's supposed to be kind of iffy, but the first one we'll talk about is supposed to be the better one, and we'll talk about why. So, of course, as you guys know, I have two family members that actually use the home internet, the T-Mobile home internet, should I say, and it works really, really good. Now, like I said, with this thing, of course, it only works, at least from what I've seen, in areas with a lot of capacity or 5G. So, both my mom and my mother-in-law, they both have the T-Mobile home internet. They had Spectrum here, and they decided to cancel it just because it was unreliable sometimes, and it would go down quite a bit. It actually goes down quite a bit. So I guess just it's so many people on there or infrastructure issues. I don't know, but it always goes down, and they're tired of waiting. So with the T-Mobile home internet, it's been spot on. Like I said, my mother-in-law has had it almost a year and a half, maybe 2 years by now, and she's loved it. It's been great. It still works, and no issues at all. So let's get into it. It says T-Mobile's home internet service seems to be something that the Un-carrier plans to offer permanently. Of course, I mean, it'll be dumb for them to not, Although there are some issues, T-Mobile's working on these to make its customers pleased with the experience. So, since ever since the service launch, there have only been a handful of internet gateway devices available, and I remember the first one that was like, it looked like a trash can. The silver one had many issues, overheating issues, and connectivity issues. But it says, but according to the mobile report, the Un-carrier plans to add two new gateway devices soon. The report was able to be obtained to obtain FCC listing of these two gateway devices. So this one is the one that I was telling you is the better one, the Arcadian T-Mo Gear, or T-Mo G4AR, which is supposed to be gear, I guess. The 4 is an E. I don't know. So it says it's the brand's second gateway device for T-Mobile. It appears to be a successor of the previous KVD21 model, which if we take a look, you'll see, which is this one right here, guys. This is the one that I think everybody has now. My mother-in-law has it and my mom has it, or they both have it, should I say. So this is the one that's been working very well. So I don't know, I probably wouldn't even update it unless it's like a free upgrade or something like that. But so far, that one's been the best one. The T-Mo Gear, however, comes with improved cellular functionality and hardware. So it's supposed to be better and faster speeds. Right now, we're currently, I think, at the house, they're pushing about 200 to 300 megabits per second down, and about, I don't know, maybe 100 up or something like that. Maybe like 50 up. It says the gateway device also looks like it will have more antennas, which indicates it will be improved better signal strength as well as more reliable connection to the T-Mobile home internet user. The report shared this modem will be offered by T-Mobile on August 22nd. So about a month and some change, month and like 3 weeks from now. Now the second one is the Sercomm T-Mo G4SE. The other gateway device that was mentioned in the report is the Sercomm, I'm just going to call it the Sercomm, which appears similar in specs to the previous device. The only difference is that it doesn't look like the Sercomm will have support for carrier aggregation, and you definitely want that, especially if you want speed and connection. Really reliable as well, and top speed. So I wouldn't even get this thing out. I don't know, maybe it's going to be offered free or something, maybe this one at a price, but I would definitely go with the Arcadian, so for sure. It says the device will be offered October 12th. So yeah, I forget that. I would definitely get this one, especially if it doesn't have carrier aggregation. If you want to learn more, you can also check it out. Here it is. Of course, a listing, but there's like specs and everything. But I mean, no pictures really about it. But what do you guys think, guys? Like I said, me personally, I have, like I said, two of my family members have this one right here, and it's been really good and no issues. So overall, I think it's definitely worth it. Let me know in the comments below, do you use T-Mobile home internet? Like I said, so far we've thrown in everything we've used, and it's True Unlimited. My brother-in-law, which of course lives with my mother-in-law, he's used over 1 terabyte of data. I think like 1.2 terabytes of data in 1 month. So it can support TVs, consoles and everything. So pretty good. I would say it's definitely looking into. So thank you for watching, guys. Please comment, rate, subscribe. Let me know in the comments below what you think. A lot more videos coming your way. As long as you guys keep supporting the channel, I'll keep making these videos. Thanks so much. Check out the description below. Like Honey, they supports the channel and a lot more things. So check it out in the description below. Thank you so much.